VLC isn't just for playing local files. It has a powerful stream option that lets you play any one-click download movie link directly on your Android TV. Let's see how to do it. So let's get started. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Open Play Store on your TV. Go to search bar, search VLC Player. Install VLC Player. Open VLC Player. Press OK, allow storage permission. Scroll down and find VLC Turn On. Click on Start VLC. Scroll down and go to Browsing. Click on this Streams option. Open Google Home app on your phone. Select your Android TV. Click on Open Remote. Paste your one-click download video link. Click here to play movie on your TV. While your video plays on VLC, you can switch audio tracks and turn on subtitles from the menu. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.